Hey there, glad you found your way here. Stick to this video as I will be explaining with practical approach how the various CSS selectors work, when and how to use them. I will be using Visual Studio Code for this course, so set that up quickly. Listen up. CSS is a rule-based language. We define the rules by creating different styles that should be applied to a certain element or a group of elements. So for example, if we want to select all heading, this is how to do it. We will select all H1 headers with the H1 element selector. The selector is followed by a set of curly brackets, and inside these curly brackets, we're going to write our style rules. Now, this is what we call declarations. Hope we're following. A declaration is a pair that contains a property. In this case, color, and a value, in this case, red. Here, we've got the selector, which is H1, and the declaration block, which is the curly brackets. Color here is the property, and blue is the value for that property. Do you get that? Now, what we just saw is known as a type selector. It's going to select all elements of type heading 1. Class selectors allow us to assign styles to elements that contain a specific class or a set of classes. Now, this class selector is noted with a dot followed by the class name, and it's used to style multiple elements that have that class name. So here we're styling all elements that have a class of title, and we're changing that color to red. Remember to always define your class in the HTML or else your code will not work. We also have ID selectors. The ID selectors allow you to assign styles to one element containing a specific ID. It's noted with a hash symbol, and it's followed by the ID name, which means instead of the class of title on our heading level 1, we've got an ID of title setting that color to red. There is also a universal selector, and this is noted with an asterisk, and it matches any element. So to make every single element red, we could write asterisk and then in the curly brackets, color red. That's why it's called universal. Okay, let me play your brain a bit. What color is our paragraph text going to be in this example here? So we've got a div class of blue. Inside of that div, there's a paragraph. Now, so what color is our paragraph text is going to be? Think, think, think. Okay, let me help out. It is going to be blue. Do not forget class selector is noted with a dot and ID selector is noted with a hash symbol. I hope we perfectly understand how this works. Okay, stay tuned for more. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.